Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be part 8 of my declutter series, and obviously it's going to be me decluttering my mascaras. I do have tons of mascaras and am long overdue for a video like this. Let's just go ahead and jump into this video. Okay, so this first one here is the Maybelline Lash Sensational. This is one of my favorite mascaras. I do have two of them here, just because I kind of have one in a couple different places of my house. So I will definitely be keeping these. This is one of my favorite mascaras right now. And this is the It Cosmetics Superhero, and I do really like this mascara, so I will be keeping this one. And this one is newer to me. This is the L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black Waterproof Mascara. And I do really enjoy this, so I will be keeping this one. This is the MDM Flow Greater Than Mascara. I think I got this a long time ago in like a BoxyCharm, and I will probably be getting rid of this one. It was pretty good, but it has expired, so I'll be getting rid of that one. This is the Avon True Color Mascara, Wide Awake Mascara. I will be keeping this one. It is pretty good. I do have a review and demo of this mascara. I can link it for you if you'd like to watch that. And then this is the Avon Big and Multiplied Mascara. I'm probably going to get rid of this. It's not as, it's just expired, but this was a pretty good mascara, very voluminous mascara. So I will be getting rid of this one. This is another one of my favorite mascaras. This is the Jordana Best Lash Extreme Volumizing Mascara. I'm going to get rid of this one because it is simply just pretty much used up. It's just dried up in there, so I will get rid of this, but I do love this one. I need to buy another one. This is the Avon Super Extend Extreme Mascara. I don't know if they sell this one anymore, but it was a really good mascara. I am going to get rid of it though, because it's definitely expired. We'll get this one out of the way. This is the Maybelline Great Lash Mascara, like an old classic. I'm going to keep this one because it is brand new, still in the packaging. Another one of my favorites, but it is super old, so I need to get a new one. This is the Maybelline Lash Stiletto. Lash Stiletto. One of my favorite mascaras, but I am going to get rid of it because it is super old and just all used up. This is another one of my favorites. This is the Maybelline Colossal Volume Express Mascara. So I like this wand. It's really big and it makes your lashes really voluminous. I'll probably keep this one because it's still pretty fresh. The LA Colors Perfect Lash Mascara. This one is super old, and I'm going to pass it along. It's so dry, so I will be getting rid of that one. This one I really like, but it is pretty impossible to get off. It is super, super, super waterproof. This is the L'Oreal Voluminous Miss Manga Rock Mascara. I really enjoyed this wand. It was really easy to get really close to your lashes, you know, the root of your lashes with this mascara. I really enjoyed this. I'll be keeping this, but it is so hard to get off of your lashes. This is the CoverGirl Lash Blast Fusion Mascara. I'm going to get rid of this one. It was really good. These were some of my favorite CoverGirl mascaras, and I do have the Lash Blast Volume Mascara. I'll be getting rid of both of these. Even though I do like them, I'm just getting rid of them because they are expired. So this is the Avon Lash Conditioner and Primer. It did work really well, but this is pretty old, so I'm going to be passing this along, or throwing it away, I should say. This is the Maybelline Mega Plush Volume Express Waterproof Mascara. It was pretty good, but I don't think it really helped to volumize my lashes. It made them really long, but it is pretty old, so I'm going to be passing this along. And then here is another Lash Blast mascara. This is the CoverGirl Lash Blast 24-Hour Mascara. I'm going to be passing this along just because it is very old, but I do really like the Lash Blast mascaras. Here is another great lash mascara from Maybelline. This one I will pass along because I've had it for a really long time and it is dried up. This is the Avon Aero Volume Mascara. I don't believe they sell this anymore. It was a good mascara, but I'm going to pass it along because it's expired. Okay, so this one is the Color Workshop Mascara. This is very old. I will be getting rid of this, but this wasn't the greatest mascara, so I'll be passing that along, and it's also super old. This is one of my favorite mascaras ever. This is the Tarte Gifted Mascara. The packaging is really, really pretty, and I absolutely love this wand. It made my lashes look really, really nice, but I have used this whole tube. I've used it, so I definitely need to buy me a new one, but I'm getting rid of this because it's empty. This is the Blink Mascara Amplified. This came, I believe, in a BoxyCharm a long time ago, so I'm just gonna get rid of this one because it's old. This is the Avon Super Drama Mascara. I don't believe they make this anymore. It was neat. The band is really unique. It did work really nice, but I'm just gonna get rid of this one because it is old. And then I have the Avon Super Shock Mascara. This was one of my favorites. I really, really like this brush, but I'm going to get rid of this one because it is old. This one is the Avon Long Distance Mascara and Serum. So on one side you obviously have the serum, and then on the other you have just a basic mascara. I'm going to get rid of this because it is super old. So this one is the Avon Big and Daring Volume Mascara, and this is the Big and False Lash Mascara. These were pretty good. They just pretty much volumized your lashes. I am going to get rid of both of them because they are old. Then this is the classic Avon Wash Off Waterproof Mascara. This is a pretty good mascara. It doesn't do a whole lot for my lashes. It extends my lashes a little bit, but it's super old, so I'm gonna get rid of it. Maybelline Colossal Chaotic Mascara. I did enjoy this mascara because of the brush head, but it is old, so I will be getting rid of it. This is the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise, and I really enjoy this mascara, and I will be keeping this one because it is still pretty new. This is the Maybelline The Falsies Volume Express. I'm definitely going to be getting rid of this because it is old. But it was really nice. This is the Maybelline The Colossal Volume Express Mascara. This one was really good, and my mom actually really loves this mascara, but I'm going to get rid of it because it has dried up. And this is the Avon Super Extend Infinitize Mascara. I'm going to get rid of this one because it is super old. But it was an okay mascara. I poked my eye a lot with how long these bristles are. This was another one of my favorites. I need to go get me another one. This is the Maybelline Define a Lash Mascara. Absolutely love this mascara, but it is all dried up, so I need to get me a new one. Volume Express Turbo Boost Waterproof from Maybelline, I believe. This was one of my favorites a long time ago, but it is super old and dried up, so I'm going to get rid of that one. This is the Avon Super Extend Winged Out Mascara. I'm going to get rid of this one just because it is old, but I did like it. This is the Hard Candy Flat to Fab Mascara. I'm going to get rid of this one. It was okay. Wasn't my favorite. Okay, so I have several of these Mega Effects mascaras. This was an okay mascara. It's kind of tricky to figure out. I'm going to be getting rid of these just because they are pretty old. I do have one right here that is brand new. I will be keeping this one. And then these are little travel size or little sample size mascaras. This one is the Stila Huge Extreme Lash Mascara. I'm going to be keeping this one because it is still good and I like what it does to my lashes. This is the Makeup Forever Smoky Extravagant Mascara. I'm going to get rid of this because it is pretty old and it's all dried up. This came in probably like a Ipsy or a Birchbox a long time ago. It's So Big Volumizing Mascara by Elizabeth Mott, and I really liked this mascara, but it is super old. This is the Lorac Pro Plus Fiber Mascara. I'm going to get rid of this one because it is pretty old and I don't really like this one. The fiber was pretty extreme in this, and I think it ended up getting a lot in my eyes, so I'll be passing this one along. This is the Smashbox Full Exposure Mascara. This one was okay. This brush was pretty big. It was just okay is kind of how I feel about it. Okay, and then lastly I have my colored mascaras. My favorites are the NYX colored mascaras. I have several of them and they are very good. They're very great for like pops of color. I like to put them on my lower lash line a lot of the times. I absolutely love these. Then I have these Avon Super Shock Brights mascaras. They don't have these anymore. This one was green and this one was purple. They are not as pigmented as these NYX ones, but they were good. I'm going to get rid of them because they are pretty old. This was a Hard Candy Lash Tinsel Glitter Mascara. I've used this a few times. It is pretty old. The wand is super weird. It doesn't have any bristles on it, but it worked pretty well. But I'm going to pass this on because it's pretty goopy in there. And then I have two Butter London color mascaras. One is brown and one is blue, a really pretty blue. They're not as pigmented as these NYX ones. I think I'm actually going to pass these along just because they just don't go on the lashes as nicely as the NYX ones do. So I'm just going to be keeping my NYX colored ones. Wow, that was a lot. I got rid of tons of mascaras and it feels really good. It feels really good to be keeping these that are good, that are pretty much new. Thank you so much for watching again. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next video.